Hello guys, welcome back to Sagi Skills. This is the ninth part of our web series, and in this video we are going to continue how we can design a services page. In the last video we have already designed service page, but it's something is left still, so we will complete in this video too. Hello guys, welcome back to Sagi Skills. In our previous video we have designed this services page here, as you can see, and if I click on it or hover on it, it's changing its background. As you can see, it's become dark. So same things we must apply on these two other columns also. So let's start. Go to HTML file, and here you can see we have left this column 3 and column 4. The same designs we must apply on these also. So just for saving time, just copy it, this one, hover call two names, copy it, come here and paste inside column 3, and then paste inside also column 4 also. So now we must change the services here, as you can see. So here write booking car and maintenance. Guys, you can give your own any service which you want to give on your project. I'm just showing you as an example here. And enter, and here travel booking, hotel booking, aviation. Okay guys, Control S, go to browser, check it. Great, it's looking nice. You can see we have another column with the same design, and you can see if I am hover on it, it's changing its background. See, you can see all the divs are the same design and same style. So now what we have to do next, we have to give here footer like contact details, same like other pages. So now go to project.html, and here just copy this row footers and copy it till here, and copy it, go to services.html, and after this div here just simply paste it and Control S, go to browser, check it. Great, it's looking nice. You can see now we have same footer here with country's name, reaches or address, and important links also. So in this video we have completed this simple and basically services page, and in the next video we will continue how we can design a contact form, this one. So almost we have completed all these menus: home, countries, and products, and services, and this contact form. So in the next video we will work on contact page also, and we will work on this. You can see now it's a little bit looking not good, so we will make it like same home page here, this one. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Thank you. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please share and like, and if you want more updates from our channel, so subscribe our channel. Thank you.